Okay, we're good to go. Hey everybody, and welcome back for another gameplay of The Walking Dead Survival Instinct. So from our previous gameplay is na-retrieve na natin ang primary weapon ni Daryl, yes, yung crossbow. Alright, so mapapadali na natin guys din ang ating gameplay. So exciting. Alright, so without a further ado, let us now proceed to the gameplay. Okay, so stay na lang uli sa car si Mia. Wala pa kasi tayong pang heal. Let's go!
Don't look like nobody's here.
Yeah, it's pretty quiet. Maybe somebody's holed up inside. I'll circle around. You want to try there?
Yeah, out of the way. Sooner we wrap this, sooner we're back on the road.
Okay, sige.
Hey, I see some movement on the horizon. Coming in pretty fast.
Can you tell what it is?
I can tell I don't like it. You probably want to get inside.
Okay. And we just spotted our threat. First blood. Alright. Ang dami! Okay, let's be cautious here guys and we will take them down one by one. Starting with this one.
Gotcha.
Here's another one. Got your head. Ano kaya pinagkakabalahan nila sa fence, ano? Nadaan na helicopter? Where? Ay, ito. Mayroon pa. Okay. Wala na bang walker sa paligid? Baka may nakaupo pa eh. Yung mga nakaupong walkers tas babangon bigla pagka nilapitan mo. Okay, let's try this one. 1 2 last one. Alright. Okay, that works. And it's locked. Saan tayo pupunta? Okay, so din yung sinasabi ng objective indicator. Lock din? Isaan? Wait. So tutungtungan natin yata to. Hindi naman nagana eh. Alright, malapit na. Konti na lang. Op. Alright, nakatungtong tayo guys. Ay, putik. Isa pa. Wag naman sana tayo din magtagal. Okay, yan. Okay, dadaan tayong tatawid sa kabila. Op. Last one. Aha, yes.
How's that for timing?
All right. What's your situation?
I'm cool. On the roof across from you.
Oh.
Whoa.
What?
Are you looking outside?
Yup. Military yun, guys. Pero pa saan sila? Are they going to the evacuation center? Okay, let's go in here. Let's be quiet and stealthy. Speak with Noah to find out. Noah?
Hey, I wondered who that was breaking in.
O nga si Noah. Ang ginagawa niyo din eh. Yo bro, what's up?
I'm Noah, remember?
Yeah.
I lost Scout at the hospital. I was hoping to catch up to her here.
Yeah, she's just outside.
Wow, really? You two running together?
Yeah.
Time being, looks like.
Okay, here they come. That's
What?
you wanted? Just right.
Oh!
Hey,
Putik!
Pied Piper.
Niwa-wipe out ng military mga walkers.
Fire at will. Take down everything that
I
moves.
want to talk to those
Oh.
guys, get some help from them.
Well, you can't go out on the street, dude. Go through the stores. They're connected. Catch up to them at the end of the mall.
You coming?
I'm not that amped about talking to these guys. I'll catch you on the far side.
And you sound like my brother.
See ya.
Okay. Let's go.
Hey, man. I owe you from earlier.
Of course.
You in need of a talented scavenger?
Of course as well. Sama ka sa amin, bro.
Those soldiers aren't gonna wait around, man.
I suppose. Tara, let's go. Ooh! Okay, so inventory full. Hindi natin guys na mapipick up. May paman din tayo ng axe eh. Nasa atin pa yung axe natin. So natin gagawin din is kakausapin natin ang mga militaries, yes? Oh my goodness. Wala pa man akong tiwala sa mga soldiers dahil dun sa mga napapanood kong ibang zombie movies. Niwa-wipe out din nila pati tao because of the virus. Oh my goodness. Hopefully not. Let's go. Yung mga nakain.
That's one bad idea after the next.
You said it, bro. Feel ko daming walkers din eh. Okay. May flare tayo, di ba? Teka, try natin. Tingnan natin kung gaano karami ang walkers din eh. Okay, 3 nakikita ko. 4, 5, 6. Ito. Wait. Huh? Okay, I just lost my count, guys. We will going to take them down one by one. Right now. Okay. Wag na sana kayo umalis dyan sa pwesto nyo. Alright. Next. Wait. Wala pa, ubos na yung bolts natin. Alright. Pagka naubos to, ipagtsatsagaan na lang natin sila. Alright. One shot. Alright. Pagtsatsagaan na natin sila, guys. Let's do this. Up, no. Up. Alright. Off with your head. Chew. Alright. Let's retrieve our bolts. Alright. Yan. Okay, double. Oh! Pistol. Okay, this is my mistake. Nawala sa isip kong ayusin tong ating mga gamit. Oh my goodness. Okay lang yan. Malagay naging backup na din natin sila. Alright, let us proceed. Dali na. Ay! Putik! Hey! Biglaan na naman yun. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's a different corpse. And, oh!
Well, that's
Susi sa
something,
bagong
I guess.
sasakyan. That is something. Wait. I think that's her. Oh my goodness. Okay, so she escaped the infection, but only to die like this. I think what they say is true, guys. There are fates worse than death. Requiescat te pace. Let's go. Oh! Mukhang marami namang walkers din eh. Ay! Minak tayo. Nakita ba tayo? Nakita nyo tayo. Yung iba kaya? Okay, hindi. May pa ba tayong flare? Ay, wala na. Hutik, ang dami. Wait. Gagamitin na natin, guys, ngayon ang ating mga firearms. Alright, let's do this. Ano pa nga ba ang purpose ng iyong mga sandata kung hindi mo gagamitin, di ba? Alright, let's start with this one. Alright, nandini kami. Come get some. This is where the action starts. Come on. Okay, I missed. Hey. Hindi tayo. Okay. We're just going to find a way to avoid them and shoot them. Okay, doon siya napunta. Hindi tayo. Alright, nandini uli ako. Alright. Sa likod meron pa. Nag-grab na ulit sila. Nyak! Get off me! Nyak! No! Buti hindi tayo nakakagat sa likod. Ang dami. No! Up. Ano? Sige! Pagkumpulan nyo ako, isa-isahin namin kayo. Nyak! Ano? Ge, ikaw na lang siguro. Oh. Okay, I think that's all of them. Tara, let's go. Oh, sakto. May pang heal. Alright, let's heal. Meron pa din eh. Meron pa bang walkers? Okay, meron pa. Let's try this one. Oh! Meron pa pala doon. Okay, mukhang wala na. Ay, ito. Boy ito, oh. Are there more? Okay, wala na. Diretso tayo sa exit.
But gotta get to that evacuation point.
Ang dami! Sige, tara. Alright. Sige! Lapit! Alright. Reload. Shotgun kaya? Alright. Okay, sakto. Ubos doon ang bala natin. Of course, kailangan natin yan. Oh! Ano ito? Pump shotgun. Okay, so hindi natin sila guys makakarry. Puno na ang ating bag. Tara, let's go. Ito pa oh. Alright. Ouch! Hey! Okay, last one. Okay, time to go. Tayo, let's go! Ginabi na tayo din eh. Oh, what now? What's that? Okay, so I think sa susunod natin gameplay, isusundan na natin guys sa mga militaries. So, abangan na lamang ninyo yun. And thank you again for watching. Ginabi na tayo din eh.